My name is Joe Falter, and I'm the Assistant Program Manager at Stop Hunger Now here in Kansas City. Stop Hunger Now is an international humanitarian relief organization. We're driven by this crazy mission of ending hunger in our lifetime. We work with volunteer groups like we're doing here today. We're going to do an assembly line style meal packaging event. We're going to end up packing a little over 20,000 meals that we're going to ship internationally to developing countries. We found that we can end poverty in developing countries if we provide food to schools. This will allow children to be more likely to attend schools as young as the age of 5 instead of going to work, beg, or just simply take care of their family. If we're able to send them to school, we can hopefully end the cycle of poverty in their communities, so that way we can end their risk of hunger.
Outside the obvious of feeding a lot of people here, I think it's a good opportunity for us to intermingle interdepartmentally. We've had a partnership with Johnson County Community College for several years, and we did a food drive locally where we collected about 4,200 pounds of food for the Johnson County Community College food pantry. Stop Hunger Now is a good opportunity for us to get a lot of people together in a small space for a good cause. Hope it goes well and hope to continue doing it.